friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Louis Vuitton little box chest. And I hope you're all doing well. Oh, I got my breath because I walked up the stairs. I am very fit. I hope you're all doing well and stay safe. Wash your hands. Social distance, mon amis. And I do have a disclaimer. I am not sponsored by Louis Vuitton in any way, and I probably won't be able to afford Louis Vuitton in my life, but I thought it'd be fun to make an inspired DIY and to show you guys. So yeah, but let's make a fun DIY anyways. Yay! Let's get started. For this project, you will be needing some mirrors. They're in this bag here. Let me get them out. Some mirrors. Okay. You're needing some mirrors, E6000, print, fluff, print for the outside, fluff for the inside, some Mod Podge, and a tiny trunk. You also will need some tools like scissors and stuff, which I will mention ongoing in the video. So yeah. So first things first, you want to cut out the print and glue it to the box, like so. So now I have some of the box covered with the printed pattern, and I'm going to continue to do the rest of the box and cover it with Mod Podge. It's really cute, and yeah. So now I'm going to cover the box with Mod Podge to seal in all the paper and let it dry and work on the inside next. Yep. So you guys now have the inside all glued in. I used some E6000 and did some measuring and about. So now the fabric's all glued in, and now I'm going to do the top. Like so. Okay, you guys, so once you have the fabric glued in, like so, as you just saw in the time lapse, I went ahead and painted some of the sides. It still looks pretty messy, but I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty alright, except for the messy edges, which I will try and cut off the excess fluff and stuff. But yeah, if you want, you could also glue in a mirror. I think I'll do that later. Hi! So yeah. And anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. This fun DIY box and other fun DIYs in the future. Check out my other videos. I just made a DIY kawaii picture frame, and yeah, I will see you all later. Until then, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe. Love you guys. Bye!